In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo on a video in CapCut. It's real simple to do. So let's go ahead and find our CapCut app. And you can either pick an existing project or just make a new one. So I'm just going to pick a previous project here. And what you want to do is make sure that you do not have anything selected. As you see, I do have a part of the timeline selected, but you'll have different options. So you just want to click out of that and make sure that nothing is selected. And right at the bottom, you want to go ahead and choose overlay. Go ahead and hit add overlay. You'll have an option for videos and photos. You want to go to photos, and I'm just going to pick this photo here, and then go ahead and hit add. And then as you see, the actual photo just comes right on top of the video. You can alter where this kind of comes out from, but that's it. Once you click this, you do have some other options if you want to do some effects and things like that to the actual image itself. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and put a photo on top of a video. And as you see, it just plays and it sticks right on top of the video. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to add a photo on top of a video in CapCut.